In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a learner's permit in Texas. But first, let's answer the question, who can get a Texas learner's permit? So for you to be eligible, you must be at least 15 years old and under 18 to apply for a teen learner license. You must also complete part of a state-approved driver education course before applying. And the first step, you need to enroll in a certified driver education course that can be via a traditional classroom, a certified driving school, a parent taught program or PTDE, or a self taught or online course. Now, with some online courses like those from Texas Driving School, once you finish the first 6 hours, the first module, you become eligible to apply for the permit. And after passing the online permit exam included in the course, you'll get a certificate of completion. That certificate is used when applying at TPS. Next, you must now start gathering the required documents. That includes completion certificate, proof of identification, proof of social security number, proof of US citizenship, proof of residency, verification of enrollment and attendance form, and PTDE program forms. Once you have the required documents, you must now complete the required application form, usually DL 14A, 14 or new drivers. Then next is start scheduling an appointment at your local DPS driver license office. A parent or legal guardian must accompany you if you're under 18. So at your appointment, you'll need to provide all required documents. You must also take a vision exam to ensure you meet eyesight requirements. If you didn't already pass the written knowledge exam via your driver ed course, you'll need to take it at the DPS. And lastly, of course, you must pay for the permit or learner license fee. It actually varies depending on license class. Once everything is approved, DPS issues a restricted learner license, allowing you to practice driving under supervision. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!